Now going over to the business blunder of the day, you have Farfetch's stock crashing by about 50% last week. Now, this is after there's a rumor that they might go private, and it is because they also had doubts to support the luxury fashion e-commerce company will be taken private. Now, it looks like this particular gentleman, let's see here. Now, Richemont, which owns brand, and this comes to us thanks to MarketWatch, and they noted that Richemont, which owns brands such as Cartier and watchmaker Peugeot, is a top shareholder of Farfetch and was reportedly in talks about helping the company go private. This according to a Telegraph, a British newspaper. And Farfetch last week on Tuesday said that it was, quote, not reporting third quarter earnings on Wednesday as planned, and that it would update the market on a new date, which rather than have to close. So far this year, Farfetch shares have dropped about 75%, with contrast of gains from the average S&P 500 being plus 19%. Now, Farfetch went public back in 2018. Backers include Richmond as well as Chinese Alibaba Group, which is one of the largest e-commerce platforms on the planet. I'm curious to see what's their Farfetch stock. What's their long-term stock trend at Farfetch? Wow, talking about a bargain deal. And again, I don't give financial advice. They also don't pay dividends, so not much of an incentive to, a little bit of less incentive to buy them to begin with. But it looks like their stock, as of this recording, it's about $1.09 per share. Now it looks like it was pretty bad last week, crashing that much. Now, the long term, the maximum, it IPO'd at $28.45 per share. So long term is down at 96.17%, with the 5-year trend being negative 95.21%. The past year is down 87.18%. Year to date is down 75.28%. Past 6 months is down negative 77.89%. And the past month, again, it's down negative 27.33%. So the company is not doing good, to say the least. And we see this with other companies. Famously, Elon actually rumored that Tesla might go private a few years back, which caused the stock to fluctuate, and they also spurred an investigation by the SEC. It was all those things where anytime there's a rumor of acquisition or going private, there's a lot of speculative buying and selling of stocks. And the fact that, again, these companies, they should always be as fully transparent as possible with their goals, their intentions. And again, this company is long-term. Their stock has gone it has gone so far down. I haven't even heard of this company. Now, granted, I perhaps am not their target demographic when it comes to fashion apparel. I like to buy, one suit up, and, just make it last forever. Buy quality over quantity. It's my philosophy there. So it'll be interesting to see. Let me know, have you ever heard of this company? And would you invest in this company, given the great uncertainty of the outlook and the lack of performance on the stock trader ticker? It'll be interesting to see, but as I always say, time shall tell. Thank you, everyone, again, for taking the time to tune in today. Please take the time to subscribe. We're trying to get to 4,000 subscribers by the end of December, and your support is greatly appreciated. Also, leaving comments is a great way to leave me some feedback on how I can make the show better and better and improve the quality. Also, and lastly, don't forget to take time to tell your family, tell your friends, tell your coworkers, heck, tell your enemies, tell anyone and everyone. Just stay safe, fight the good fight.